Yeah. From the day you're born, me know legacy start right there. Hear me, son. From the first cry, when you open your eyes, I see the future shining bright in the skies. Tiny hands reach, holding on to my soul. In that moment I found my goal. Through the hard times I will stand by you, be the shelter. When the storm come through, every lesson, every word I say is to guide your steps along the way. You are the roots of my name, my son, the fire that burns when the day is done. No matter where life takes you from me, my love will live eternally. You are the strength in my weary days, the light that guides me through the haze. Stand firm, stand tall, and you will see you carry the best of me. Listen keen, you hear the wisdom talk. Life no easy, careful how you walk. Enough temptation, roads full of lies. Keep your vision, keep your eyes wise. Respect the elders, honor your truth. Don't sell your soul for the vanity youth. Money come and go, but your name stay. Build it strong in a righteous way. When them try break, you never fall. Heart of a lion, brave and bold. Remember where you come from, son. Your journey just begun.